Now, the last day of the winter session of the Parliament, the JPC on One Nation, One Election is expected to be formally adopted by the Lok Sabha. The 31-member committee comprises representatives from both Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha and from both the BJP and the opposition. Now, this JPC is tasked with examining the One Nation, One Election bill tabled by the Union Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal in the Lok Sabha. However, a massive showdown is expected over this in the Parliament. In fact, we are breaking updates coming in. Sources suggest that the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla has issued strict instructions that no political party, member of Parliament or groups of members will hold any dharna and demonstration at the building gates of the Parliament House. That's the instruction that has been given, strict instructions being given by the Lok Sabha Speaker. The Speaker Om Birla issuing instructions to all the MPs not to block or protest at any entry gate of the Parliament. My colleague Nyamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Nyamika, this seems to be a fallout of what happened yesterday. There were protests and counter-protests taking place, and now the Speaker issuing strict instructions. What are the details? What have the MPs been told?
Well, yes, as this is a big development on the very last day of the winter session of Parliament, as now it is the Lok Sabha Speaker who has given these strict instructions to all the MPs of the political parties not to hold any kind of demonstration at the entering gates. As yesterday only we have seen that how both BJP as well as the opposition held a protest at the Makar Dwar, because of which there was a face-off which was being seen, because of which we have also seen that how several of the MPs, two of the BJP MPs and one from the Congress party's MP, who is the Congress president as well. All of these leaders have got injured because of these protests which had started at Makar Dwar on the part of the opposition. They were holding this protest in which they had mentioned that the Union Home Minister must apologize for the statement which he had given within the House regarding Baba Saheb Ambedkar. On the other side, they had also alleged that it was the BJP MPs who had tried to stop them from entering into the Parliament. After that only, if you remember, then it was the Congress party's Lok Sabha MPs who had given a complaint to the Speaker of Lok Sabha, in which the other India Bloc MPs had also signed in, as they had mentioned it clearly that it was the Speaker only who had just given these instructions 5 days back, in which he had mentioned it that there should not be any kind of demonstration that needs to be done at the entering gate. No one should be stopped from entering into the Parliament, but this time it is the BJP MPs who were stopping the opposition leaders to enter in the Parliament, which is not right on their part, and that is the reason why the Congress MPs had given this complaint to the Lok Sabha Speaker. Now, in a big development today on the very last day of the winter session, now these instructions have been given by the Speaker Om Birla, who has mentioned it clearly that there should not be any kind of protest at the entering gates of the Parliament. So it will be really interesting to see that how these the day is going to be to be held. As today also we are going to see that both the sides are going to hold a protest. BJP has also planned a protest. On the other side, the Congress MPs are going to march from Vijay Chowk to the Parliament as a mark of protest against the Union Home Minister's statement, as well as the FIR which is being registered against Rahul Gandhi. So it will be really interesting to see that how their day pans out.
Absolutely, a lot expected, because we're expecting protests to continue with the opposition and the centre as well being unrelenting on the same. We have more updates coming in.